Brian's Bed Stuff, original Xbox games, N64 games in various, right?
Not gonna lie, super excited here.
Yes. Xbox 360 original.
The third box, Star Wars Spawn Toys. Let's see. Previously on Locker Nuts, I bought a pair of units at the auction because I was curious about these. Why had these units been up for auction 3 times already? We've pulled out tons of exciting vintage toys and some real valuables, such as safes, cash, coins, and jewelry. On the last episode, I saved the final box because it looked really good. I cherry-picked a couple other ones too, so let's see what's in them. Alright, 7 o'clock in the morning. Been here since 5:20. Got Mike back there in action. See that? Mike and his crew, Baby Jeeves, Michaela in tow. And we got Alex over here, store stalker, with a ton of customers. Guess his prices are right, because here's my booth. And one customer I had now walking away, because I guess my prices are too much, because it has $2 for polo shirts. That's Stockton for you. I'm just kidding. Actually, I have sold like well over $100 already. Probably closer to 150. And it's 7 o'clock in the morning. 6:59 when I started the video. So this is from Garage Sale Pig, but most everything else is from this boat locker. So, good morning. Got a lot of stuff. We got good clothes. The guys who know their clothes went through and picked them out, and they were not complaining about $2 for a shirt. That's for sure. One guy's got a big old pile of them that he bought, and he even sold a couple jackets off here. Did the battery work?
Huh?
Did it work?
What are they?
The battery?
No, I don't know.
You're on my video.
Will you take pictures with me? What's the matter with you?
What, do I have to pay you? Alright, you guys, I just want to update you on my day. It's been a pretty busy day already. So, got home from the flea market, did about 3:12. Well, actually, I didn't get home. Came back from the flea market. I left there about, I was on the road at 10 o'clock. Can you believe that? 10 o'clock. I was there at 5:20. So I sold $312. Not great. Not great. But I was out there at 10. Came home. All I had on the trailer here was some tables and a few of the Volkswagen parts I pulled out because my buddy wants those. So we did $312. I hit the auctions. I missed the first couple of stops, but Jana was there without me, and she bought one. So you guys will see that soon enough, $75. And then I caught up with them. We went the rest of the route. Then I went to drop off my tables and the canopies in my storage, and then head over here to help the Jeebuses finish unloading their unit, which is what you see right there. So they're upstairs right now filming their video, wrapping up, going through the locker that they bought a few days ago or last week. And I'll tell you what, I am tired, I am sweaty, it's been a long day, and I'm hungry. But Jana's at home making lasagna, and we're all gonna go back there tonight and have a nice feast. But good day. But anyways, that's the update. You weren't filming?
That's the gold right there. That's golden right there.
I think it's so familiar. Everybody does the same thing.
No,
It's so funny.
This is normal for us.
Oh, that's good.
Okay, are we filming?
Oh, okay, we're filming.
right.
So since you're filming, welcome to Locker Nuts channel. Locker Nuts, what we doing today?
We are unboxing 3 boxes. And these are not just any boxes, these are the good boxes that we pulled out from the third time locker.
Come
Right.
take a look.
They look really interesting.
Look at these names.
Look at this. Brian's Bed Stuff, original Xbox games, N64 games in various, right?
Not gonna lie, super excited here.
Yes. Xbox 360 original games.
This is good.
Original.
We're getting a little
And-
peek right here, sneak peek.
Ooh,
Wanna
look at
show
all the
that?
video games. So many cases.
If we don't know what is going on, we're gonna ask the audience. Audience, what do you think of this game?
What do you think? Are you using a lifeline?
What game?
Yeah, we're using a lifeline. We're asking the audience.
What?
What are they doing, guys?
It's good.
Thank you.
What are we paying you guys for?
Okay, we just
Right
fired
here?
the audience.
The third box? Star Wars Spawn Toys.
This is what we do after we barbecue, people.
Yeah, that's right.
We unbox.
After a long day of flea market,
Already
barbecue,
tired.
lasagna.
Let's go, Jack.
All right, let's go
What do we
then.
got?
Let's see.
Hold on, wait.
Let's see if the promise was real. Oh, we're gonna count to 3.
We're gonna tell you guys, please like, share, and subscribe in this video,
Please.
please.
Now. What are you waiting for?
Ooh, cable. Dirty.
Crowd.
We got Ethernet.
We have
Did,
an Xbox.
And this is a dirty locker, in case you guys didn't know already.
It looks
This is a
super
dirty
clean.
locker. Hello.
Ooh, what is that, guys?
Ooh.
Hey, you got a router too. Might be a little dirty. Should still work.
Our studio audience is growing by the minute.
Ooh, there's 2 of them.
2 Xboxes?
Oh, one is
You
an
got a
old
360 and the OG Xbox right there.
That's a 360?
Yeah,
Yeah.
360.
Okay.
Hey, these are money at the auction. I mean, the market. We all know that.
Dollar
These
yeah.
are 2s and 3s.
2s and 3s.
Yeah.
$2.
I've been giving away too cheap.
Oh no.
Original Xbox. There's
that's
some
cool.
great games on that.
That's a.
Remember these? You could uncode lock
Yeah.
them, and you get like unlimited games.
Yep, and you can cheat them
that
up
right?
too.
Yeah. They were awesome. I remember them.
Old when I had the Xbox.
Okay.
Wasn't in all those cheat codes and stuff.
What's that? Oh,
I was a
Controller.
major cheater on Xbox.
was you?
Yeah.
You see
A lot
that?
of phones.
And the chargers. It's hard to come across the chargers for these sometimes.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
To actually have the charger like that.
Look at the chrome red one.
Ooh,
That's really nice.
that's just. You know, I always thought Xbox was ahead of their time in controllers.
They are. Because it's the only controller that feels right like this.
And, like,
Fits your hand
just
right.
Everything, every joystick, every button.
Hey.
Over here. Over here.
The way.
Nice.
There's a lot of controllers.
Ooh, look what I see.
Controllers are money, right?
Oh yeah.
Yes, they are.
There's money.
Look
Grand
at
Theft
that.
Auto 5.
Look at this.
And both discs
Yeah,
are
what
in
is
there.
that?
Street Fighter
Collector's
Oh
edition.
snap.
Collector's Edition. And I think they're all in there.
Is it?
Yeah, there might even be like a toy in there, action figure with it.
Bonus.
Oh,
Look at that. It's still complete.
that's nice.
That's cool.
With the 2 games, awesome.
Nerd out moment. Dragon Ball Z
favorite.
Burst Limit. I love me some Dragon Ball Z. Favorite show in the world. Nope. With a blank CD in it. But the game is in there.
Nice.
And it's got the manual. That's not common.
That is an awesome game.
What do you think the values on that?
Not very much, unfortunately,
much.
but I love it.
Good game.
If you want to get stuck in the game, this
Assassin's
is the one
Creed.
you want to get stuck in.
Revelations, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Awesome levels, awesome everything.
Oh, you got. Was that Grand Theft Auto 4 too? You got both.
What's the one we're really looking for?
GTA 5 is still worth like $15 on 360.
Is it?
Yep.
That's because it's interchangeable with the Xbox One, right?
Yeah. The Xbox One version's worth about 30 now.
I love this chatter,
Mortal
guys.
Kombat DC Universe.
Oh, that is nice.
That's kind of cool.
That's
That looks like
You got
something I'd want to
one
play.
Xbox One game in there hiding.
Oh, I just sold one of these.
Do you know at some point all these games were worth
Oh, Xbox
a
One?
nice
Yeah,
amount
one
of money?
game. Battlefield though. Battlefield's not as good as Call of Duty, guys.
No.
Still good.
We just sold that for how much?
39, I think. It was sealed though.
Yeah.
Nice.
It was sealed.
It's
39.
brand new in the package.
That one is?
Kind of, sort of.
In the package.
What's this?
With the receipt.
That looks kind of interesting. Oh, they did buy a lot of used games though. Oh, another Mortal Kombat DC Universe.
That's good.
Oh, this one's sealed.
Looks like a
Nothing.
one.
That's new, isn't it?
Is
They took
it?
the plastic off. It's never been opened though.
That is one
cool.
heck of a box, Jack.
That's a nice
Sure.
box, huh? It
Anything
is.
else highlighted in there?
2 360 controllers, one original Xbox controller, and a bunch of games. You even got a couple game guides too.
What about these?
Is that a walkie-talkie?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Might be
And the
worth a little
charger.
bit. Motorola, that's good. Oh yeah.
Boom.
Maybe that might be $30.
Oh, they're both there too.
Yeah, there's the second one. Want to run down the streets and talk to each other?
Locker Nuts, this is Storage Stalker. What's your 20?
Roger that.
Storage Stalker, this is Locker Nuts. Are you there? hit, Storage. Locker Nuts, pick up your walkie-talkie.
Unboxing
Oh,
inbound.
okay, we're really doing this.
Yes,
Okay.
we really.
10-4, what was it? Can you repeat that?
Rusty nail in the parking lot. Avoid the rusty nail.
Over.
10-4. Wow.
Thanks to the studio audience.
He's performing with the target audience. Second box, part 2. More chance for treasure.
I'm being defeated by tape.
You need my knife
Oh.
today.
OG Xbox.
Xbox One.
Are these going up in value a little bit? Xbox?
Get out of here.
Wow. The audience is critical today.
Oh, look, you got a nice brand new Sony headset.
Oh, that's good.
Check that out.
Awesome.
Studio.
That's nice.
Ooh.
One of the greatest games of all time. One of my favorite games of all time since I was a kid. That game is awesome.
And it's in there.
And it's in there.
That's good. I don't know. See,
And I would pull the most weirdest thing out.
Robotech.
And you missed.
I did not play a lot of video games at this time of
Star
my life.
Wars.
Is that Atari game?
Atari
Why are
Anthology.
you looking at me?
Look at that.
That is awesome.
Grand Theft
Double
Auto
feature.
3 and Vice City.
Ooh.
Yep.
Together.
2 awesome games.
2 very awesome games.
What's this? Black.
I don't even know that one.
It looked kind of like a Black Ops game. So
The original OG Halo,
Halo
too.
was an awesome game.
Yeah, that's pretty much the only thing I ever played on Xbox is Halo. It was good. Multiplayer with my friends.
Uh-oh, you have a card.
Happy birthday.
Ooh. Now this is the locker that we did find money in the car.
Oh.
So there's a chance.
Go, Jack.
Nope,
go.
not this time.
Go,
Look at
Jack.
the bugs are out of control.
Jack
Is that a
can't do
bug?
it. No one can.
Do you see the bug?
Driver 3
was
is a good
awesome.
game. It is. Driver 3
I
too.
love that game.
It was like the original Grand Theft Auto.
You know what? Since I don't know what I'm looking for in the box, I'm just gonna cheer you guys on. Go, go, go.
Elder Scrolls and Morrowind.
Awesome.
There's a lot of games I remember.
Yeah.
Yep. Elder Scrolls is always great.
I know what
Kids have
this
like
is right
every
here.
game, huh?
They
I say
really
kids
do.
because I think they
This
were
is a
like
lunch
very young when they. Put
Alex,
the
you're
stuff in
pulling out
here.
the winners tonight.
Lunch
The
bell.
lunch
You know how I
bell.
know? Because I like to eat. Got
Is this another
card?
one?
Yeah, let's see if
Yeah.
you got something in there.
Come on,
You think so?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
you gotta believe.
Oh,
Nothing.
nice try. These are all game magazines.
Are they?
That's why this box is so heavy.
Other Game Informers from GameStop.
Them are still worth a little bit of money.
Are they?
Yeah, Susan Fuse.
The market.
The right ones
like took
don't
them all,
buy 'em.
but
Yep,
couple
the right
bucks.
ones will buy 'em. Uh-oh. Oh.
I know what I saw under there.
Uh-oh.
I know what I saw.
Holy
They're
crap.
cartridges.
that's good.
Ooh.
Now we're talking.
Oh, best game ever.
There
known
it
to
is.
mankind.
Super Mario 64 for the Nintendo 64. There it is.
Star Wars.
There's some money right here.
There's Zelda too.
Zelda.
You got the gold one.
Ta-da!
Boom.
Is that good?
That
Yeah,
is
it's a
good.
good
Yeah?
That's a very good game right there.
These two right here, 2 of the best N64 games.
This is awesome. You
Yeah.
play this one, the dirt level, right when you take off, turn exactly to the left, hit the hop button, you jump over the wall, and it's a shortcut. I remember that.
Cheats with Storage Stalker.
Gauntlet.
007.
Legends.
Is that 006?
That's
007 is this is a good game.
NBA 1080.
Goldeneye.
Oh, you got Goldeneye too?
Yeah, Goldeneye. That's
You
a
got
good
a
one.
lot of OG.
That's like one of the first person
Oh,
shooters,
yeah.
right?
Yep.
That's good. Sniper.
Golden gun.
I feel a lot of reminiscing.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of wasted hours on that game.
All Game Informers there.
Oh,
Star Wars Episode 1 Racer?
Nice.
The boys had that
Seems
one.
like the game's older than the movie.
Right.
Guess not.
Madden!
It had 99.
Ooh.
I'm very good at Madden. I beat everyone I come in contact
You
with.
got to play my boys then.
He got demolished.
Yeah.
He's cheating. He's lying.
That.
Oh, look at that. It's
That
an
bag.
empty bag.
One of my personal favorites.
Do not breathe when we grab this.
Yeah.
Xbox.
Camera person backing
Service.
up.
It's back in the day when you used to have to send your Xbox into Microsoft in order to get it serviced.
This locker was pretty dirty.
Oh, yes, it was.
A lot of game guides too.
Locker
Couple
Link
Bibles.
Challenge. Oh.
A couple Bibles and a bunch of game guides.
And your insurance. What is that?
AAA.
Memory card?
Yeah.
Yep.
Nintendo 64 memory cards. Are they memory cards?
Oh wow, they look like the ones that go on the controllers.
So is this mostly like mid 90s, late 90s?
They're like early 2000s, late 90s.
Okay.
Let's see what we got here.
4 game magazines. Game magazines.
Bunch of game guide. Oh, you got Halo original game guide.
With all
And
the
San
cheat codes.
Andreas. Oh my gosh, remember these days?
Holy crap! Back when you couldn't
Cheat
Look it
go
up
on the
on Google.
internet. Look at all them
Print it
cheat
out.
To
codes.
print out the cheat codes.
Oh my god.
That's hilarious, huh?
Plus 10 respect
Let me
for
read
whoever
one,
on this.
That's some memory lane.
Yeah.
Is it bad that I'm 25 and I still have like an array of San Andreas cheat codes
think
memorized to this
Mortal
day?
Kombat-
Still?
Oh, these are just their moves. These ones are their moves. That's their
That's
moves.
awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. That is.
Robotech. That was in the Robotech.
All these games are probably in there.
That's
Huh,
crazy.
I wonder if the game's worth more if we sell with the cheat code.
Maybe.
Well,
Might
you know,
be, you
nowadays
never know.
everything go on the internet.
Yeah, it's not as
Map
fun as the old
books, that's
days.
good. They ever shoot
Think
down the
kids will
satellites?
ever know how to
Missiles, we need those.
read a map?
Yeah.
I don't know how to read a map.
Last time I read a
Thomas
map, I
Guide,
worked for a
baby.
phone company.
I don't have a
Comment
GPS.
below if you've used a Thomas guide.
Hey, Jack. Almost didn't see you there.
That's the tape.
I should probably pay you like a little revenue every time.
Don't worry about it, Jack. Take a shot out. Oh, this is what you want to see when you open something. Stuff like
Whoa,
this.
That's some
Look at
dust.
that spawn. Look at
Oh
that.
my goodness, how's it even
Is
get
this
that
a
dirty?
speed racer?
It
Yeah,
might be.
looks like
It does look like it.
The dust.
This is the original
I mean, this
ball
is in
that
a
Babe
box,
Ruth played with.
Dusty.
The Babe Ruth baseball.
What do we have in there? Ooh, it's filler. Ah,
You know, vintage paper is going for $100 an ounce right now.
$100 an
Oh,
ounce.
yeah.
But the main reason we went in there, because of this guy. Look at him.
Speed racer.
Is that Speed Racer?
Ah, ooh.
Ah, 19.
Batteries.
Not exciting, but
I think it says
More spawn too. Check them out.
that
Yeah,
is
that says 95.
Todd McFarlane's.
The box is a little ripped on the bottom, but still nice. That's really cool.
Yeah, it is actually.
More batteries.
Wow.
Batteries.
That's a lot of batteries. Seen some dust in this box?
Oh, it's a little bit. Oh, those are all sports cards.
You guys like that?
They could be some money. They're
good,
fun.
find the right one.
You gotta go. Like one's worth a penny, the next one's worth 100, next one's worth a nickel,
Yeah.
next one's worth 20. Sports cards are crazy.
I got guys that want
We have a
to
lot.
look through our cards, but
What do you got?
never found a good one, or at least
It's Yoda.
I don't know if we ever found a good one.
It's Yoda.
It's Yoda.
No, I
Look
mean,
at
sorry,
that.
it's R2D2. Look. Wow.
Is that Batman?
You
What
can tell
year
by
is
the
it?
look at the spandex. It's Superman.
What year is it?
What is that?
It's episode 1.
Yeah, it's like 01 or something.
So it's 01.
Wow.
I think it's episode 1, so it's the newer.
But
The
the,
newer
dust
ones.
just makes it look
There are a few that
extremely-
are worth money, and actually, I think
Nice.
this might be one of them.
Really? Tell us about it, honey.
Ooh.
No, I don't really know about it. I just know we had some episode 1 toys in the earlier locker, the first locker of the 2, and I looked them up. They're worth nothing, but there was a couple that were worth big money. This might have been one of them.
How much?
I don't know, $100. We'll scan
nice.
Wow.
He'll scan it, people.
it. Yeah.
Ooh, look at that. It's one of the Japanese imported figures. I used to collect these in Dragon Ball Z all the time in
Oh,
this
really?
box. Yep.
Is it like the die cast? Is it like what is that made of? Is it plastic?
Yeah, it looks like
Pretty
it's
creepy,
plastic.
huh?
Look
Yeah,
at
right.
this. I have no idea what it is, but it's a nice toy.
Look at it.
Cool. Makes it better. All right. And there goes our camera woman, just like that.
It's just dust.
That's a nice spawn
Dust
toy.
adds value.
Rat
Oh,
feces and
here you go.
Ooh,
foreign toxins.
signed football. Signed by who?
Every great NFL player of all time.
it could be.
They don't say nothing at all. huh?
Tom
Because
Brady,
he
Troy
lived in
Aikman.
Oakland, and that is where the
Whoa.
Raiders is, where all the
Jerry
big players.
Rice.
So it's like a high school ball.
Who is it?
And we have no idea. Number 71 of someone. It could be
Maybe
their
it's
high
his
school ball.
Okay,
The
this
Raiders
is big
high
money right
school.
here.
This
Is
is
it?
big money.
This is big money.
Tell
This
us about it.
Transformers. All I know is we've had other Beast Wars in the box,
And it's
and we're
Transformers.
selling for $50, $80. Not as good as this.
That's awesome.
What year is that?
Probably 03 or something.
It's older than that.
98.
98.
Yeah.
That's old.
Nice.
That's
That's
very
awesome.
guess.
Still in the box,
98.
too.
I was
That's
28
over
that
20
year.
years ago.
It didn't seem old at the
There was
time.
another sign ball.
That's good.
Can you read that? I have no idea who that is, but big signature.
Steelers, that'd be cool if it's Rod Woodson. It's not them.
Steelers. Ugh.
Another Spawn. That's a nice Spawn.
Wow.
Spawn. Another one. I've never had any Spawn figures, so this might be good. Spawn, I think they're remaking Spawn, the movie, so that's like kind of hot right now.
No way.
One I actually know something about.
Yeah.
The Simpsons.
You tell.
You know what that
Homer.
is too? The living room, which changes every episode.
Yep. The intro. At the Simpsons intros, I don't know how they
That's
kept
the
it original
only
for so
reason
long.
I used to love watching
Just
Simpsons.
the intro.
Just to see what the intro was.
Really? It was different? I never watched it.
It's been
Everyone
different
was different.
every episode for like 20 years.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Every single one. That'd get your attention. Oh, that's
Yeah.
a big one, Jack. Oh, not that
I was
one.
thinking something.
Not that one.
My t-shirt.
Look at that.
Jen doesn't like this. I don't know who that is.
Barry Bonds.
Barry Bonds. Oh, yeah.
You're from the Bay Area.
I know these
Oh my
things.
Look at
gosh.
that.
Sports, I got it.
I
It's
can't
Luke
read.
Skywalker, guys.
Oh, R2D2.
Yeah. Two guys ripped right
Awesome.
there.
It's alright. It's
Or is
still
it supposed to be
worth
ripped so you can reach in?
money. Yeah.
Yeah, try me, it says.
That's
Yeah.
awesome.
So it's not
The
ripped.
batteries are probably dead. Luckily, you found a big pack.
What
of more
year's
dead
that?
ones. That one's
Turn it
probably,
around,
I'm
let's
gonna say
look.
99, 2000.
98.
All right,
You know, say.
keep going.
I don't see it nowhere. Maybe on the bottom. 2000.
98.
No, it's not 98 because I think the guy with the red face. Is
It says 80 here, but that's got to just be a copyright, 1980.
Oh.
Well, comment
Maybe.
below.
Oh.
Should stay somewhere.
Look at that, Jack.
Another
Figures
pod
in
racer.
there.
Yes, and the man's in there.
I think the pod
that
racers
dust.
are.
That's probably what where'd that other one go?
It's right here. This one? Oh, is it?
She probably
Speed
goes
racer?
in there.
Oh, you're right. Okay.
Episode
She
1,
goes in
Anakin, Skywalker's pod racer.
Yeah.
It's got to be some money there.
Super sweet.
That is awesome.
Okay. Man, I wish they
Oh,
weren't so
race car as
dusty.
well.
It's
Ooh,
alright.
is that
Just
a
a little
special one?
dust.
It looks like it.
All this stuff sells good at the market
Oh,
too.
yeah.
This is like,
Last
sure.
one right here.
yeah. And the pod racer.
I would blow it, but I don't want to lose
Please
a
don't.
cameraman.
Yeah.
Camerawoman.
Just kidding, just kidding, just kidding.
All right. That's
All right, come back before you can hear us a little closer.
We just got to scream about every toy now.
All right, so Jack, that was fun unboxing these 3 little boxes with you, and they did have some big, valuable, some very nice memory lane, but appreciate it. I love unboxing with you.
The nostalgia in some of these old video games is crazy. N64, original Xbox, Xbox 360. I don't know when the last time I've seen any of this stuff is. It's insane to look at it again. Definitely got some good eBay money here.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, this one I think we just looked up a couple. This one right here is probably easy $100. That's probably at least out of the initial. That's
That's
probably
really
the best
good.
so far. It's
Oh,
good.
yeah.
Then you got a ball with a whole bunch of signatures we know nothing about. I
Yeah.
think it's from the high school team, the Raiders, I think. One of them teams.
It's
high
red and
school?
gold. I think.
Junior high school Raiders.
Thought it was a rec league.
One of them. I thought they were rugby.
Man, see, make them dinner. We don't even get any respect after that.
Hey, yeah, thank you for dinner. John, it was
Appreciate
awesome.
Really good.
We do appreciate it. But yeah, Jack,
Yeah.
it was a pleasure unboxing with you.
Yeah, thanks for
Absolutely.
helping me. And thanks everyone for watching. All right, so what are we saying?
Our descriptions will be in the video. Go ahead and go like them, share them. Go subscribe to our channel as well as his. Appreciate it.
Who are you guys again?
I forgot.
me.
Oh,
Who are you?
I think I'm.
Welcome
what's my
back.
name?
This is Treasure Hunting with Jeebus, and I'm here with
I'm Storage Talker, guys. Let me tell you how it is.
Going Down.
Yeah, we'll put links for those guys below just in case you never heard of them. But these two guys are famous right here. So
Locker Nuts, we didn't see him there, but he's getting in the spotlight. He's there now.
thanks you guys for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe to all 3 of us, please. And comment below. All right. Till next time, good luck to you. God bless you. We'll see you next time here on
Locker Nuts.
Locker Nets.
Jack
Awesome
can't
Skill
do
magazine.
No one can.
Can we do a cheer? Can we get one down, actually?
You want it?
L-O-C-K.
Locker Nuts. Locker Nuts.
Give us an L. Oh.
Give us a nut.
K-E.